Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll take you through the complete setup process for the TP-Link TL-MR3420 router. From unboxing to configuring your internet settings, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and get your new router up and running smoothly. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Here, we have the TP-Link TL-MR3420 router, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. Make sure you have everything before we proceed. Now, let's set up the hardware. Connect the power adapter to your router and plug it into an outlet. Next, take the Ethernet cable from your modem and plug it into the WAN port on the router. With the hardware set up, connect your computer or mobile device to the router. You can use either Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open your web browser and type http://tplinkwfi.net or 192.168.0.1. Log in with the default username and password, which are both admin. Once logged in, you'll see the quick setup wizard. Select your internet connection type, dynamic IP, static IP, or PPPoE. Enter the necessary details provided by your ISP. Next, set up your Wi-Fi network by choosing a network name, also known as SSID, and a strong password. Save your settings, and your router will reboot. To access advanced settings, go to the main menu. Here, you can change the default login credentials for better security, set up guest networks, configure parental controls, and update the router's firmware if needed. After configuration, check if your internet connection is working. Ensure that your devices can connect to the Wi-Fi network you just set up. If you run into any problems or need help, our expert team is ready to assist you. You can reach them at 323-471-3045 for support. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And that's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link TL-MR3420 router. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.